Stop guessing where the features go. A perfect profile isn't magic, it's geometry. Whether the head is neutral, tilted up, or tilted down, most artists struggle with the exact proportions and angles. Before we add any details, we need to master the blueprint. Let's unlock the secrets behind these profiles. First, we start with the main orange circle to establish the core volume of the head. Next, we add the vertical and horizontal blue lines to map out the facial grid. Then, we bring in the red lines to set the key angles for the eyes and brows. Finally, we trace the green lines for the final contour and jawline. This blueprint is our foundation. When the head tilts up, the perspective changes. The skull looks shorter, and we see more of the underside of the jaw. The rules change here. The guidelines for the brow and eyes are no longer straight. They curve upward to follow the shape of the head. Because the neck stretches, the skin and muscles get tight. This makes the throat look longer and the jawline much sharper. Notice the features. The tip of the nose points higher, and the ear looks lower, sitting closer to the jawline. Now, what happens when the head tilts down? Notice how the forehead and skull become dominant from this angle. The eye position shifts lower relative to the profile guidelines, and the nose position shifts accordingly. Most importantly, look at the front of the neck. We get a natural compression of neck tissues as the chin moves closer to the chest. And this is where the magic happens. Once you master the underlying geometry, you can strip away the details and turn your profile into a moody, minimalist silhouette. If you want to see the quick process of how I created this specific glowing art, check out my other short video on the channel.